Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use DoorDash gift card in app quick fix step by step clearly. Open the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Select Dasher account or just account from the list. Look for the option labeled gift card and tap on it. Enter the gift card code in the provided field. Double-check the code for accuracy before proceeding. Tap Add or Redeem to apply the gift card balance to your account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the gift card was successfully added. Return to the main menu or browse for items to order. Select the items you want to add to your cart. When you're ready to check out, tap on the cart icon. Choose your preferred payment method during the checkout process. If your gift card balance is applied, it will be deducted from the total. Finish the checkout process to place your order. Enjoy your meal, knowing your gift card has been successfully used. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.